Welcome to yet another interior floor project. Today we're going to be working for the City of Crystal Lake. This project involves raising and stabilizing an interior floor within the City Hall building. About 20 years ago, an addition was constructed to account for the growing needs of Crystal Lake. Since that time, one of the new interior floors has shifted along an edge bordering the original floor. This movement caused an uneven surface approximately 30 feet long, which, although carpeted, is very noticeable when walking through the area. To remedy this issue, the floor will need to be raised and stabilized to prevent future movement. Like other municipalities in the Chicago area, the City of Crystal Lake needs a long-term solution, thus requiring the use of polyurethane foam lifting material. Companies limited to old mudjacking technologies were not considered for this project. Acme, being a polyurethane specialist, provided the winning bid and was selected for the project. Located only a few short miles away on Main Street in Crystal Lake, Acme mobilized two polyurethane injection systems. Two systems are being used to provide the city with a highly efficient and rapid repair. We begin the project by drilling a series of injection holes. While drilling, our crew can feel the floor vibrating due to the inadequate base beneath the slab. Holes are placed in strategic locations in relation to the slab's edges, cracks, and low areas needing to be raised. Polyurethane, which meets the compressive strength requirements for highways, is now injected beneath the concrete. This material spreads out in all directions, compacting the subgrade and providing support for the floor. Following the injection process, the injection holes are patched with cement. Since our polyurethane cures in 15 to 30 minutes, the floor is immediately ready for unrestricted use. Acme Concrete Raising and Repair is a polyurethane concrete raising and stabilization expert specializing in commercial and municipal projects across Chicagoland. However, residential projects are where we got our start, and we continue raising concrete for hundreds of residential customers every year. Remember, you don't want to settle for just any concrete raising company. Thank you so much for watching.